Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. So first thing, open your MetaTrader 5 app, then go to Settings on the bottom right corner. Then you will find the option New Account. Click on it. Then choose the first option here. Then you will find your demo account here. Click on it, Register. Then just fill out this info, first name, last name, date of birth, your mobile, email, and all of that. Then you go here, you choose to put the leverage on 1 to 100. Then you can choose the deposit that you want to start with. I suggest you start with $3,000. Then you click accept. After that, just click register, and then you will have your login and password and investor. You just copy this information and put them into register into new account, or you can just click start here. After that, you will find your demo account here and you can start trading with it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.